Good morning, all the students of 7th standard, and we are learning political science third lessons. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Oh, sorry. So, here we are learning the civics year third lessons of the civics features of the constitutions, and first paragraph we have completed of the federalism. Second point, that government that oversees the administration of the regions that we live in is called as a state government. For example, in which region or the area we are living, and the government of that regions or the area is called as a state governments. If the government is looking after the admission within our areas only, to that government we can call as a state government. So point is here, the government that oversees the administration of the regions, the government which sees, which perform, which complete the administrations, which look after the administrations of the region that we live in which region or the area we live, of that regions or the areas administration if the government is doing, that government is called as the state government. And look, it looks after the administration of particular state, and the state government look after the administration of particular one state only, specific that state in which region or area we are living, that government is a state government, and that government look after the admission of specific that this only area. For example, the government of the Maharashtra looks after the administration of the Maharashtra state. For example, we can say as a Maharashtra state government. Maharashtra state government look after the administration of the only Maharashtra only. Maharashtra state governments cannot look up, it cannot look after the administration of the Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh. For them another government is there. So within our region or the areas only it look after the administration there. The system of running the administration of country cooperatively by the governor at a government at the two levels. So the system of running the administration, what are the system is there in our country to run the administration, to run the government of a country cooperatively, how they run, how they govern our country's administration. They run, they govern our country's administration cooperatively by the government at a two levels. In our country, administration is governed, carried out at two levels, or by the two levels, state government and the union government. Making laws about a different subject is called as a federalism. When they are making the law for the different subjects, they are, it is called as a state government there. Now next point, separation of powers. Next one point, separation of the powers are divided there. The constitution has divided the subject for the making the laws between the union government and the state government. Indian constitution has made the laws there. They have divided the subjects there for the state government and for the union governments to make the laws. They have divided the subject for making the laws. They have divided the subjects for the union governments and the state governments according to the constitution only. It is decided there. Let us see which government is interested with what subject. Which government is interested with the what subjects now. Which government has a responsibility to look after the different subject there, or what kind of subjects are there under the state governments or the under the, you can call as a union government. Our constitution has given three lists of various subjects. Our constitutions, Indian constitutions, has given the list of various subjects. Various subjects are given here. So we will see the first list is called as union list. According to our constitution, first list is here, and this first list is called as a union list. It contains 97 subjects. In the union level, first list of the union level, it contains, it means it contain, there are 97 subjects are there. It contains 97 subjects on which the union governments makes law there. So on the 97 subject, union government has to make law. Union government has to look after that. They have to prepare the rules on the 97 subjects. The state list is for the state government. And for the state government, what is there? State list is there. For the union government, union list is there. So the state list is for the state government to legislate upon that, to look after that administration of the state government. State list is there. Legislatures members are there, MLA, they look after the administration there. It contains the 66 subjects there. For the union government, 97 subjects are there. For the state government, 66 subjects are there. Remember that 97 subjects under the union government, 66 subjects under the state government. They have to look after the administrations, or they have to look after the country's administrations on these 66 subjects. Of the state government has to look after that, and union government has to look after on the country's administrations on the 97 subjects. Both the governments can make law on the subject included in this list. So what is there? 66 subjects are there under the state government. Apart from these two lists, there are a concurrent list there. Union list 97 subjects, state list 66 subjects. Now combined there by the union government and by the state government. By the combination is there. They both combinedly they look after the some subjects. They are included into the concurrent list, which contains the 47 subjects. Like in this way, how many? 47 subjects are there. So nearby 210 total subjects are there. 97 subjects are there under the union list, and 66 subjects are there under control of the state list, and 47 subjects are there combined between the union government and the state government. They have to look after that, so that we can call as a concurrent list. If a subject comes that if a subject comes up that is not included in any list, the union government is entitled to make the laws on it. If anyone subjects came that, and that subject is not included, not mentioned into the any list, it is neither included into the state government list, it is not listed into the union government list, or into the concurrent list also there. At that time, union governments makes laws there, rules related to that subject. These powers are termed as a residuary powers. So these powers are called as a residuary powers. Union government, state governments, and the powers of the union government. Subjects, 97 subjects are there under the union government, 66 subjects are under the state government. By the combination of the both union government and the state governments, 47 subjects are there. To that list we can call as a concurrent list. By leaving this also, if anyone subject arises there, at that time union government look after the administrations, and these powers are termed as a residuary powers there. The division of power in the Indian constitution is unique. Like in say in our constitutions, or in Indian constitution, division of power is there. It is enable the union government and the state government to bring about the country's progress by cooperating with each others. So this dividations brings the cooperations in our country's administration, that state government and the union government cooperatively they work there, and they make the progress of our country. This also encourages the participation of the citizens in the administration of the country. Due to this cooperations between the union government and the state government, people's or the citizens participation also increase. It motivate the peoples, it motivate the citizens, voters, or the peoples of our country. They can participate on a large numbers in the country's administrations. So next point is here, who deals with what subject? Who deals with what subjects? That next point. This point we will see in tomorrow's video. Okay. Till that time, study. Thank you very much.